I'm Shelby Collin with today's health news. According to U.S. National Library of Medicine, snoring occurs because the tissues at the top of the airway vibrate and strike each other. As people get older, the structures in the throat loosen, which increases the chance of snoring. In fact, some of your daily habits can make snoring worse. Smoking is a double whammy when it comes to snoring. The smoke is irritating to your mucous membranes and makes your airways tighter. Alcohol can make snoring worse because it relaxes the throat muscles. You should cut off alcohol consumption at least 3 hours before bedtime. Sleeping pills and sedatives can create problems if you snore. Like alcohol, they may prevent your throat from opening properly, which makes snoring worse. Relaxation techniques are a better choice if you need some help getting sleep. Being overweight increases the size and amount of your neck tissues. The excess tissue puts pressure on your airways and makes snoring worse. In some cases, snoring can be a sign of a more serious problem called sleep apnea. If you snore, speak to your doctor about treatment options.